Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to calculate profit from your poultry farm with real numbers. Whether you are a beginner or already running a farm, this breakdown will help you understand your costs, income, and how much you can actually make. First thing to look at is farm setup cost. Let's begin with the initial setup. Assume we are starting with 100 points of lay chickens. Here is the estimate cost in Naira. Cost of 100 points of lay beds. So let's assume 3,500 per bed. And then you want to start with 100 points of lay beds. 35 times 100, that gives you 350,000 naira. The next thing is chicken house, which costs 100,000. And the next thing is feeders, drinkers, equipment. That will cost 50,000 naira. So, first month's feed is going to cost you 150,000 naira for the first month. And we are going to look at vaccination and medication, which will cost you 20,000 naira. So next is miscellaneous, which will cost you 30,000 naira. So we have the total setup cost. Total setup cost is 700,000 for 100 points of lay chickens. So after looking at the farm setup cost, next to look at is monthly running cost. Now let's look at monthly running cost. Feed 150,000. Water, light and labor 20,000 naira. Health care is 10,000 naira. Transport and other costs 10,000 naira. Total monthly cost is 190,000 naira. After looking at monthly running costs, the next to look at is income from eggs. Wow. It's income from eggs. If you are a farmer and you are expecting that golden egg, I'll not be able to explain the joy of a farmer. So next thing to look at is income from eggs. Now the income. A healthy layer chicken lays about 25 to 28 eggs monthly. Note, a healthy layer lays about 25 to 28 eggs per month. Every month, monthly. So from 100 beds, you get around 2,500 eggs per month. Wow. So if you sell a crate of eggs, that's 30 eggs, at 2,200, for example, 2,500 eggs divide by 30 equal to 83 crates. And then 83 crates times 2,000 to 2,200 equals to 182,600. Wow, that is great. So another thing is monthly income. But remember, egg price may go up or down depending on seasons and location. Now, the next thing to look at is profit calculation. Yes. Now, the real question is, how much profit can one get or have from 100 layers? As we have calculated monthly income, 183 and 82,600 naira. And then monthly expenses, 190,000 naira. This means you are running at a small loss in the first few months. So now, 100 crates times 2,200 equals to 220,000 naira. So now let's look at the profit. 220,000 naira minus 190,000 naira equals to 30,000 naira monthly. Now multiply that 30,000 naira monthly over a year and it adds up. So poultry farming can be profitable, but you must understand the numbers. The key is proper management, cutting costs wisely, and maximizing egg production. So if you want me to show you how I feed my chickens without commercial feed, or how to reduce costs and increase profit, check out the links in the description below and it will surely be of help. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Till I come your way next time with a wonderful and amazing video. Stay productive and keep growing. Bye.